Early Career Field Service Technician Program is a 12-month structure program that consists of classroom training, hands-on training in the field, which will then develop them into future field service technicians.
The relationships I've developed with the people in this program has been amazing. All our personalities just fit together really well.
Everybody has a different background, and also experience. So when we pretty much hit a task, we're able to kind of bounce ideas from each other.
Mentorships, they are playing a very important role in this program to teaching our technician on field. So to gain the site experience for our technician is something very important.
So working with the ABB mentors has been information highway. They're very knowledgeable and they're very open with sharing all of the information that you need, not only to be safe, but to do proper work within ABB and work up to ABB standards.
You are there, you're doing some tasks for the first time, but you have someone watching over you, you have someone guiding you along the way, so you feel more confident.
I would say working with the mentor has been really valuable. Everybody that I worked with was my mentor in some sort of way or aspect.
When I go out on the field, they try to teach you as much as they can, and I think seeing new faces come in, they see that this is a new path for ABB, the young trainees coming in, and new field service technicians that will be out in the field.
The training that they get in the field goes way beyond just the hands-on experience and the mentorship. This is developing a pipeline for our employees to continue to grow on, to further their careers in the future, to be maybe project managers or field service managers, or wherever they want to go with their careers.
One thing I would say about this program to someone else is just do it. Just do it because the experiences are great and you're not going to regret it.